Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for language learning with Rosetta Stone, full guide step by step clearly. Saving for language learning with Rosetta Stone can be an exciting journey. First, determine your language learning goal. Identify which language you want to learn and why. Establish a clear timeline for your learning. Next, research the cost of the Rosetta Stone subscription. Visit their official website to explore pricing options. Consider if you prefer a one-time payment or a subscription model. Create a budget that includes your language learning expenses. Review your current financial situation. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary spending. Allocate a specific amount each month towards your language fund. Consider setting up a dedicated savings account. This can help you visually track your progress. Additionally, explore alternative funding sources. Look into scholarships or grants specifically for language learning. Check if your workplace offers educational benefits. You might find resources to help with your Rosetta Stone purchase. Incorporate language learning into your daily routine. Set aside a few dollars each time you practice. Make language learning a rewarding habit. Tap into free resources to supplement your learning. Engage with language exchange partners online. Utilize apps or websites that offer free learning materials. Participate in local language clubs or meetups. As you save, keep your motivation high. Visualize your progress and the fluency you want to achieve. Consider rewarding yourself for meeting savings milestones. Once you've saved enough, purchase your Rosetta Stone subscription. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.